welcome to my crib. Today I will start with the actual camper slash bed setup because I don't want to sleep like this anymore. The plan is to remove the back seats because I would lose a lot of potential storage room if I would keep them in. And then I want to build a platform, a sleeping platform on the height of the armrest here. The reason why I need the armrest is because I'm 6'6" and I just need to stick my feet through there. By taking out the back seats, I will gain this whole area here as extra storage room. But how do I remove the rear seats? In theory, it's quite simple. Just loosen a handful of bolts and that's it. In reality, the bolts are well hidden, difficult to access, and of course, not metric. But with a little improvisation, I managed to lose all the bolts and to lift out the rear seat. I just decided to take this out as well and to demolish my car completely. Nice. Holy shit, dude. Alright. That was good. Actually, it feels pretty good to destroy the things. And this is what the trunk looks like now. It's actually kind of funny, I got some fatty holes in the car, but I guess that's good for the aerodynamics. Can't even film it, but yeah, you can see all the way to the ground. There's a freaking hole. Woo! I got some insulation just to cover this metal area here because I think it won't do much of a difference because the rest of the car isn't insulated at all, but I don't want to work on the pure metal here. So I covered the trunk with a thin layer of insulation and added a couple of lumbar crossbars using the former rear seat joints. These serve as mountings for the 1/2-inch thick plywood base plate. After making sure everything fits well, I disassembled the whole construction, sanded it, painted it and reassembled it once more. You might have noticed that I'm doing this whole camper build thing on a public parking lot, so don't expect the next Instagram-y luxury van. I just need something that it's sturdy, reliable and cozy enough to call home for the next 2 years. To be fair, in the beginning it was kind of awkward to work on the car in public, especially to be looked at by passing strangers like an alien, but I got used to it pretty soon. Welcome to day number, actually I don't know which day of construction it is, but it's definitely time to get it done. Last time I finished the ground plate, the ground construction, and today I'm gonna start with the actual bed frame. For that I got some 2x4-inch lumber. It's marked as 2x4, but it's actually 3.5 x 1.5. But it sure works well. I don't have a proper plan yet. I think I will just build 3 pillars on like each side and then 3 more pillars and 2 rows in the middle. I don't know. Connect them with some crossbars. And that should be it, right? Yeah, let's see how it works. And now followed lots of woodwork, so I'll keep it short. Basically, it was measuring, sawing, drilling, screwing, and after that, the same thing again and again. In the end, I sanded frame construction and painted it with wood treatment as well. And I guess it turned out to be a really sturdy bed frame. I am getting there. Holy dude. It's actually everything takes just way longer than I thought it would. But yeah, I can see some progress. The frame is done. With the bed frame done, I'm only a few steps apart from a real camper. So I installed some outer walls, added separators for the storage cabinets and built the cover lids. I fitted some joints on them so that they won't move while driving and drilled some holes to use as a handle. And that's it. Dude, this took me so long, But to be fair, I had to pause for a few days due to snow in late April, dude. But yeah, unfortunately I ran out of paint, so I won't paint the upper layer for now. I'm not even sure if I have to do it in general. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. I'm so happy how it turned out. It's definitely worth all the work I put in. But the best thing is, with all the storage cabinets underneath me, I don't have to use the passenger seat as storage room anymore. Because honestly, it became a bit messy up there. But this is past now, so I'll just clean this whole thing up and put all my stuff in the designated areas, and yeah, don't have to live like a messy anymore. That said, it's time for the finishing touches. To make the car look more cozy, I installed some LED fairy lights, built sills for the rear windows, and sewed some curtains. I am so satisfied with the result. The car turned out to be super cozy, everything works just fine. The only thing I've already learned is it doesn't matter how much storage room you have, it's never enough. Anyway, if you want to see a full tour of the camper, I'll link it somewhere here. And otherwise, off to explore Canada.